Paintless Dent Repair (PDR) is a cost-effective way to remove dents without damaging factory paint or resale value. Central to the success of modern PDR is the use of LED reflection lights, which allow technicians to achieve factory-quality results with extreme precision. Unlike traditional bodywork involving fillers and sanding, PDR uses specialized tools to massage metal back into shape. Because small imperfections are often invisible under standard lighting, LED reflection lights are used to create controlled patterns on the car's surface. These patterns reveal the exact size, depth, and center of a dent by highlighting distortions in the reflection. LED lighting is preferred over older fluorescent technology due to several key advantages. Enhanced clarity, high brightness makes even the smallest flaws visible on complex modern finishes. Customization, adjustable color temperatures such as cool light for dark cars and warm light for light cars optimize visibility. Precision, these lights help technicians track tool positioning behind panels, preventing high spots and overcorrection. Efficiency, modern LED boards are portable, energy efficient, and wireless, ideal for mobile repairs and hail damage restoration. As automotive paint technologies evolve, LED reflection systems remain essential. They enable precise damage mapping, quality control, and seamless repairs that preserve the vehicle's original look. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 832-275-4374. That's 832-275-4374. Or send email at kevin@DentWerx Paintless Dent Repair.com.